Okay, so today we are playing old Arsenal. Literally the first version of Arsenal. Epic. This looks weird. Ah, my ears. Oh, my ears. So yeah, we're just gonna hop in. We're just gonna pick red team. Oh, what is this game? It looks like Arsenal. I don't walk that fast. Oh, that's really cool. This looks like a CSGO knife. Okay, I'm garbage. I'm so bad at this game. Come on. Oh!
Headshot.
I am legend at this game. Okay. Ah! Ah! This game sucks. Come on. Yeah, let's go. If you guys want me to play CSGO Roblox, then this video has to hit 10 likes, because I played it before. Ah, grenade! No! Ah! Come on. Oh, I'm so trash. Okay, this game is actually kinda epic. I'm just kidding, it's not epic. I can't get a freaking kill with this G17 in the same second. Come on. I can't even zoom in. What is this lag? What is this? Bro, this thing has no recoil in it. Hey, boy. Come on. Okay. Come on. Switch your gun. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, I'm legend. MP5K, I think. I am headshotting everyone. Oh, if you press F, it makes you run. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, this guy just died. Bro, I'm yellow. What is this game? No! Wait, you have to get 26 career kills. So you have to get 26 kills and you win the game. Epic. Can you backstab in this game? Hold on. Yeet. Oh. Ow. Oh, if you shoot your... Oh. Let's go. He thought he could kill me. Alright. There we go. Right off the bat. Alright, my teammate just died over here, so I think they're over here. Yep. Let's go. Grenade. Let's go! Double kill, baby! Let's go! Alright, guys, I'm in the video here. Finally, gosh. I'm in the video here. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. Because we're almost hitting 400 subscribers soon. What I meant to say. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. My goal is to get 1,000. Alright, later.